Yo! What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all and kind of like a clothing pickup too. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, clothing pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Anyways, man, let's get into these clothing pickup, man. And as y'all know, well, y'all probably don't know yet because I don't think the video, the video might not drop before then. But as I was at the sneaker event, I went to this boutique out in Indianapolis called Quality, and I picked up this fire shirt right here. Like on the shirt right here, it says quality going down. They tag is right here, size medium. Fits kind of big a little bit, but when I picked it up, the artwork on the back was so dope. Now, I'm not a pink wearing person, but this was so dope. This was too dope, man. And then on the bottom half, man, when I seen this, I instantly thought about them off-white Zoom fly joints. I'm like, yeah, I might have to go ahead, cop them real quick. And another thing, I got this. Damn, I just fucked that all the way up. And I got this pickup right here, actually at the sneaker event. And me and the guy was talking for a long time, man. So y'all look out for his clothing line, look out for his clothing brand right here as well, man. And it's called Sneak and Geeks. You feel me? And he pretty much, another thing, quality over quantity. You feel me? So yes, this is a nice thick shirt. This is very good. You can feel the texture in it. It's actually a very good shirt, like texture wise and everything. And he said the inspiration behind this shirt is that he loves sneakers and he loves playing the game. He loves gaming and everything. So that's why he got Sneaks and Geeks. You feel me? So real dope concept of it. Fully understood it, man. Him talk for a while. Y'all can see his Instagram and all that stuff in the vlog as well. And he had some heat at his table too on the sneaker side too. He ain't had like no GRs and all that stuff. He had some heat. This dude was trying to cash him out for like $1,000 for the stuff he had on his table. So he had some heat. So he ain't no regular sneakerhead. He got heat. And he got his clothing line coming out, so be on the lookout for that. And I picked this one up at H&M. Now, hold on, let me put this on for y'all, you feel me? Y'all ain't gonna get that real feel. I gotta put it on. Picked this up at H&M, man. Real dope, real clean little windbreaker joint. You know, nothing too, you know, flashy or nothing, but when I seen this, I instantly thought of these. Wow. Yes, man. Instantly. I'm like, oh yeah, this a fit right here. Still look, and it's chilly outside, especially for the fall season. When fall season start rolling in. Oh yeah, throw this jacket on. Throw these joints on. You good to go. Throw a little yellow in there, make the yellow pop out a little bit more. You good to go. Okay, enough of all the clothing stuff. Let's get to why y'all came here. And this unboxing right here is a mystery unboxing. If y'all don't know, if y'all not a part of the Soul Supremacy family, you feel me, go ahead, add them to your collection, man. They do these little random mystery shoes for like $25 and $50. So this is actually a $25 shoe right here, mystery unboxing. And it looks like it might be a Kobe. Nike Lunar Glide. I don't even know what the fuck these is, but I know I seen these little wristbands right here when Kobe was doing that Live Strong stuff. So this what this is. Tag right there. I don't even know what these are, but let's get into them. Bling. Blau, Burr on the shoes, man. And these actually look nice. Honestly, these actually look nice. Mystery unboxing for a $40 shoe, $25, $40 with everything else. These actually look nice, man. They look real comfortable, like some nice walking shoes, man. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think about these, man. Now let's get into the details of the shoe. And as you can see right here on the toe box, you have a mesh toe box right here. This is obviously a summer shoe from the everything they put on it. Some little foam right here connecting everything. This gives like that Zoom Fly feel, Zoom Fly vibe to it, except it's not see-through. Little mesh right here on the side. Swoosh, gray swoosh. Nice little plate right here where your feet kind of slips in right there, nice and firm. You have the dynamic support system. Guess this back when like the Luna soles was real popping. So cause this is a Luna sole right here. Tongue, all yellow mesh. Have the Live Strong on the tongue. Live Strong in the insole, all yellow. Black and yellow sock liner. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Obviously a running shoe. I'm guessing running, walking shoe. You have like the 3M hit right here. So if somebody running, driving behind you, whatever, they'll see you. 3M right here as well, above the toe box. These are decent. These nice. Outsole, crazy outsole. I like the pattern. Nice little foam mixed with rubber outsole, so it look like it's real comfortable. But yeah, man, these is my random mystery sneaker unboxing shoes, man. I like to do this stuff because you like never know what you're gonna get. And these right here, I don't know, I don't really have too many black and yellow shoes in my collection. I got the New Love, I got the Mellows, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep these honestly, because me and my nephew wear the same size shoes, so I might just get these to him. You know, and a lot of my shoes that I get that I don't want or that I wear and they still in good condition, I usually just give them away, honestly. I don't do all that extra stuff. I usually just give them away. But anyways, man, that's it for the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. It's funny because this go with my shirt too. And we out this jam.